Welcome my channel Digital Remote Sensing. Today I will discuss how to supervised classification by PCI Geomatica software. So at first open the PCI Geomatica software. Open. So this is the open of this software. At first export the TIFF file format data. So translate this data click file format and save. Select all item and export. So close this tab and open the fixed file format data. So this is the satellite image Landsat 8 data. So there is the RGB map standard false color of this data. So there is the Landsat 8. So 5, 4 and 3. Close and go to the resolution linear. This is this standard false color of this image of Landsat 8 data. So go to the analysis. So image classification of supervised classification. So input this image here. So subset 3 image here. Input. This is the open the season selection. So go to new season and open the season configuration. So this is this season configuration. So add layer. So here there is the add image channel 2. There is the 8 bit and channel add 2 and add. Complete this first and close this tab. There is the standard false color 5, 4, 3, input channel 3, 4 and 5 and training channel. There is the empty file. So there is this season configuration setup and complete this process. And next step there is a collect the particular features of this image. Go to the classification and new. So at first there is this fellow land. There is this fellow land and create this signature. Go to polygon and create the so this is this polygon and next so next there is So there is this Felloland. Change this name Felloland. There is this color and okay. There is this Felloland. And next there is this sand class, new class. So create this signature of this sand. So name change, there is the sand. Change this color white and okay. Class new. There is the next, there is the water body. So this is the water body and create the signature. Water body. Change this name. There is the water body. And next there is the new class. This is the dense forest. So create signature. This is the dense forest. And change this name dense forest. Change this color and next there is this there is the cropland. This is the cropland. Cropland. Change this name cropland. There is this color white and next there is the wetland. So there is the wetland class and new, create the signature So name change, there is the woodland. Change this color and complete these features and save this class tools to classification preview. Classification preview. So this is the classification preview. Not complete this classification, but this is the classification preview. Go to the classification meta layer and run classification. So there is the choose minimum distance to mean and classify. So this is the classification report, time, file, and etc. etc. Close this file. So go to analysis, image classification, post classification analysis to class labeling. Input subset 3 image and input the maximum distance classification accept. So there is the classification image of this particular area. This is the dense forest, sand, water body, airy cropland and wetland. So change this color. Suppose the sand color the change red. Suppose there is the change this color. Edit this color here and save. Close. And this is the process of supervised classification of PCI Geomatica software. Another step is the image classification, post classification analysis, class editing, input classification main image and image editing. Suppose there is the merge option. So this step you select the classified image, minimum distance classification and accept. So there is this select region, there is the over entry file. So there is the merge these two. So merge class here and image. So this is the class editing. So this is the classification image. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel